This is how to fold an origami peacock out of a dollar bill or a HACKiBill. So we take this, we're going to turn it over first this side and fold it this way. Make sure that lines up. Fold it in half. I'm going to open it up, and then we're going to turn this corner right here, and we're going to fold it down like that. So it lines up right there to there. All right, push that down. Got it. Then we're going to do the other side. Fold that down like that. Make sure it lines, top lines up, as well as this part comes to a kind of a point right here. This is important. Okay, like that and like that. We could check our work by folding this like this, seeing if that lines up relatively well. Comes down to there, and again, we got the point. That's going to be the beak. Perfect. We're going to open that up again. Now we're going to do an airplane style fold. So we fold like that, right along there. So right there, that point again. Make sure that lines up. Great. Now we're going to do the other side. Folds right into there. That lines up. Great. Perfect. Take this side, and we're going to take this back wing right here. We're going to fold it down until it reaches that corner right there, and it makes a 90-degree angle right there. So that folds like that, and like that. Great. We do the other side just the same way. Got this. Woo! Like that. That lines up nicely right there. That's right there. Great, looking good. Okay, then we're going to turn it over this side. We're going to fold this point right here to right there, that line. So we take that, fold it up, right like that. Now one thing we want to do is make sure this back part doesn't crush over like that. So we're going to put it up like that when we press this part down. So that still lines up. Cool, like that, right? Here comes the head. So we're going to put our thumb right, one thumb right there. I'm going to take this other part right there and fold it down. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to take this whole thing and fold it in half. Goes like that. Like that. Okay. Take the head, pull it up a little bit. Take the body, put your thumb right here about. We're going to take this part and pull it forward. Okay. And you can adjust the head a little bit as you want. You can even make that bigger. Perfect. Now we're going to fold the wing. So we got one wing right here going from right there to that point right there. All right. So we first take just one of them, fold it back upon itself, right there to right there. Great. Now to fold the other wing, to mimic it, we're just going to, or mirror it, we can go like that and fold it like that. Push that down. Now comes the great reveal. There it is, the Origami Peacock. All right. Find out more at craniogami.org and fold your brain into shape.